Yes, I know, slime has been out for a while, but I just want to just tell you that I am having my cousin and me paint this slime stand we found. Well, we bought it, but so we are going to be making a slime video, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is grab your glue and take the top off, put it into a container, and you're going to dump till it is filled. And it doesn't have to be filled, but it can be like this. Next, you are going to be getting your paint. So, let's go get that. So I got my paint, and this is the color I chose. Really, really light pink. And then you're going to be squirting this into the glue. This might get a little messy, but it's slime, it's supposed to get messy. Then you're going to stir it. And you're going to stir it some more. Whenever you use paint, it might take a while to stir because it makes it like chunky. And hard to stir. And it can be hard to find your right paint color. Because look, it looks white because of the light. No, this is too dark. Looks really white because of the light, but I know I had to change my light bulb because it's way too bright for YouTube videos. And if you got your color that you liked, you're gonna put baking soda. And no, I am not using borax because I am not allowed, because borax really irritates my skin, and because I have really sensitive skin. So yeah, I can't use borax, so I use baking soda, paint, glue, and contact solution. And now you're going to add your contact solution, and I got this from Target. I got a 2-pack because I go through these really quickly. And they were only $10. And the baking soda I got from Wise, I don't really know. I got it from Wise, and it was only $2.69, and it was the value size. So I think that was a really good deal. I used my own money because I have to use my own money for my YouTube stuff. Not always. It depends if it's like a little thing like that. Like, I used my own money for this. My mom bought the containers. And I got those containers from Dollar Tree because, well, they're actually really good. And you're going to want to put like a lot of contact solution in, or else it's going to be really, really runny. So, yeah, and you don't want it to be sticky. And so, yeah, all you need for this slime is glue, paint, contact solution, a container, Arm & Hammer, baking soda. Did I say contact solution? Yeah, I said contact solution. And no, this video is not over yet. It's almost there. See, it's not getting less sticky. I shouldn't say that. And you might need to do it on a paper towel, which I didn't do. So yeah, this is gonna be my 4th slime that I made tonight. And I really like making slime like this. I think it turns out better because, like, I made borax the first time I made slime because I didn't really know another way. Then my friend taught me, because she has sensitive skin too, so she can't really use borax. So then my friend taught me that you can use contact solution, glue, baking soda, containers, and paint to color it. It's almost done. I just had to get a little less sticky. I know, it feels like this video is forever, when really it's only like 8 minutes and 30 seconds. For my slime videos, I make them really fast, so they're not that long. But I can tell you guys that you can get the glue all, a gallon of glue, really cheap. It's only $16. From Ace hardware store, and I think the glue all is 1 gallon and 3.78 pounds. So it's really big. And the school glue gallon, what you can get from Michael's, which is $30, is actually, it's half a gallon. So I don't really call that a gallon of glue, because, you know, it's half a gallon. Half a gallon. So yeah, I really like my color. You guys might not be able to see it, but like, I can't turn the light off because it's too dark, and if I turn the light on, it's way too bright. See, look. It's too dark. You can't even see my face. Need some more contact solution, and again, you might need you might need to hand mix it like what I'm doing right now. And it's really kind of fun to play with. And comment down below if you know how to make butter slime, because I'm not that sure. Because my friend kind of told me, but she said it really fast, and I asked her to write it down, but she didn't have any time. And yeah, if you guys are wondering where I am, I'm in my garage. This is my like art area. Half of the garage is my space. Then I have the whole basement as a lounge area for me. Then I have the whole entire attic, and that's my room. Yes, it is finished. It doesn't have ceilings like this. So my slime is, oh, I actually made butter slime. I didn't think I was going to make butter slime. So, yeah. You don't need to comment down below. And Island Macy Ryan, if you're watching this, please like it. So, it is done. It is really, really stretchy. And no, it is not sticky. La, la, la. So, and go check out my squishy videos. I actually made one yesterday. It's whenever it's called Squishies and Slime Haul with 3 exclamation points. So yeah.